In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Obsidian. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an image in a note and control its size so it looks clean and consistent with the rest of your content. First, open Obsidian on your device. Give it a second to load your vault, then navigate to the folder where your note lives. Go ahead and open the note you want to work with so you're looking at the editor. If you're in reading mode, switch to editing so you can type directly into the note. Now let's insert the image. Obsidian supports basic HTML inside notes, which makes this really straightforward. Place your cursor where you want the picture to appear and type an image tag. Say the word image as the tag name, then include the source attribute and set it equal to the file name of your image in quotes. Make sure the file name exactly matches what's in your vault, including the extension like .png or .jpeg. If your file is in a subfolder, include that path as part of the source. Close the tag and you'll have the image in place. Next, add width and height to control the size. Inside the same tag, add a width attribute and a height attribute, each set to a number in quotes. Those numbers represent pixels. For example, a width of 600 will make the image fairly wide on most notes, while 300 is more compact. If you want to preserve the original aspect ratio and avoid stretching, set just the width and leave out the height, or set just the height and let the other dimensions scale automatically. If you do set both, try to keep them proportional to the original image to prevent distortion. From here, adjust the values to match your preference. Think about readability and layout. Large banners can work well at 800 to 1000 pixels wide, while inline images often look best between 300 and 500. Make a small change, glance at the result, and fine-tune until it feels right for your note. If you're working with multiple images, use consistent widths so your document looks polished and intentional. And remember, nothing is permanent. You can always tweak the numbers later as you refine your layout. That's it. Open Obsidian, open your note, insert the image tag with the correct file name, add width and height, and then tune the size to your liking. With these simple edits, your images will look clean, professional, and perfectly sized for your content.